Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Discord account. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Then go to user settings by clicking this gear icon below. In this My Account page, simply scroll down and you will see the button Delete Account. Click on it, and if you own a server, it will prompt that you need to transfer ownership first before you will be able to delete your Discord account. So to transfer ownership, just open the server that you own. Go to server settings and here scroll down and click this members menu. In this list, select the member that you want to transfer ownership and right click on it. Click transfer ownership, then simply toggle this on and click this button. Once all of your server has its new owner, you can now delete your account. Go back to user settings and scroll down, then simply click this delete account button. You will be asked to enter your password. Enter it, and once done, click the delete account button again. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to delete a Discord account, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on our next video.